Welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss topic on methods to identify the outliers. Methods to identify outliers. So first of all, what is outlier? Outliers are values. Outliers are values at the extreme ends of a data set. So they are at the extreme ends in the data set. This is the definition for outliers. So here we have 4 methods to find out these outliers. There are 4 ways. 4 ways to identify outliers. There are 4 ways to identify outliers. Okay, in the first one is sorting method. Second one is data visualization method. Third one is statistical test, like Z squares. And fourth one is interquartile range. Interquartile range method. Now we'll see one by one. Okay, first one is sorting method. First one is sorting. So in sorting method, we can start quantitative variables from low to high and scan for extremely low or extremely high values. So you can sort for quantitative variables. You can sort quantitative variables from low to high and scan for extremely low or extremely high values. So we can get from the sorting method from low to high or scan for the extreme low or extremely high values. This is with the help of sort method. And next one is data visualization method. From data visualization methods. From the data visualization. So we can use a software to visualize our data, right? With the help of a box plot, with the help of box plot, or box and a whisker plot. Box and a whisker plot. With the help of these, so you can see the data distribution at a glance and we can get the outliers from the data visualization method. And third one is statistical outlier detection. From the statistical methods. From the statistical methods, statistical outlier detection involves applying statistical tests. Some statistical tests. Like here we perform Z squares, right? So to produce statistical test, it will give from the Z squares we can identify the outliers. So this is the third method. And fourth one is interquartile range. The interquartile range tells that the range of the middle half of your set. Middle half of data set. So so once we know the half of the data set, if any outliers are present in the data set, we can get them easily with the interquartile range. So these are the 4 methods which are used to identify the outliers in a data set. Thank you.